Now we're ready to learn a new song. We are rolling along. And just like we did with Hot Cross Buns, we're going to break it down into sections to make it easier and quicker to learn. So let's start with the first 4 bars. We've got quarter note, quarter rest, 2/8 and a quarter. Those are the only types of rhythms we have to deal with in this piece until the last bar. And then when we get there, we'll talk about that. So let's start at the beginning. I'm going to count out loud and clap the rhythm. We're not going to worry about the flams while we're counting and clapping. We'll play the flam when we play it on the drum at the end. So let's take a look through measures 1 through 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the first 4 bars. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now measures 5 through 8 are the same as 1 through 4. So we've got half the piece done now. Let's play the 8 bars together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Okay, we're halfway through. The next measure, 9, is a full measure rest, which we'll count out loud because, as we said earlier, the rests are just as important as the notes. 10 is music we've already played. 11's another rest. And 12 is music we've already played. So why don't we try it? Starting on measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Okay, now the last 4 bars. Measure 13, 14, and 15 are 1/8 notes and quarters. And then when we get to the last bar, 16 has 16th notes, which we talked about earlier, means 4 notes for every quarter note. I have a way of counting those out. Each 16th note has a name. 1 is the first one, E is the second one, and, which comes at the same time the 8th note and comes, and for the last 16th note. So 1E and a, 2E and a, 3 is bar 16. Now let's try measures 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3. Okay, now let's clap and count the whole piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3, 4. Okay, we've covered all the sections. Now we're going to play it on the drum. with the flams. No counting out loud. We're going to internalize the rest rhythm, and we'll see how that comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are rolling along.